If you're searching for the best IPTV player of 2025, look no further than TVmate, the ultimate choice for IPTV enthusiasts. TVmate offers a sleek and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate through your channels and content. It supports multiple playlists, includes an advanced EPG electronic program guide for scheduling and program tracking, and allows you to customize your viewing experience with features like catch-up, favorites, and playback controls. With compatibility across Android devices, Fire Stick, and Android TV, TVmate ensures smooth and reliable performance, no matter your setup. Its premium version unlocks even more features, such as cloud backups and advanced playlist organization, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to take their IPTV experience to the next level. Whether it's live TV, movies, or sports, TVmate delivers a seamless and enjoyable viewing experience.